Hello and welcome back, everyone. We often get a question from different people that can MS Excel be used to import data and use it in MS Project? So, today we'll be covering this topic where I'll be showing you how you can import some information from an Excel workbook and create a project plan out of it. So, obviously, it's possible. The answer to the question is yes, it's possible. However, you have to define the columns and you need to provide a mapping to MS Project so it knows which column corresponds to which field in MS Project. So, let me show you an Excel file. You can have an ID field, or it's not necessary to have it because MS Excel already has row IDs defined. So let's say I have these fields. I have ID, I have an task name, duration, start date, finish date, and a dependency. Dependency is basically it's defining me which task is dependent on its previous task. So this is an Excel file and I want to create a project plan using this Excel. So I'll head over to MS Project, I'll click new, and there's an option over here to new from Excel workbook. This will allow me to import data from an Excel file. I'll select this option, select Excel workbook over here, head over to the documents location where my Excel file is residing. Let me just find it. Where is it? Sorry, I am not looking at the right location. Okay, here is it. Here's my file. Now there's a wizard in front of me. So this wizard would help me in mapping the fields. It's asking me if it's a new map or I can use an existing map. I created an existing map some time back, but I'm going to show you a new map, how it's done. So someone who's doing it for the first time knows what to do. So I select this and I select that this import will be created as a new project and it will not be appended or merged with an active project that I have already opened. So you can also do that. And now it's asking me whether my Excel has headers. That means the first row of my Excel file contains the headings. So I give it a yes and I tell it that my Excel only contains tasks. It doesn't provide information around resources, assignments, and stuff like that. It's a simple Excel with tasks listed down. Okay, over here it will ask me to select the names of sheets that are there in my Excel workbook. Since there's only one, so I select that name and it automatically maps the fields inside the Excel to the Microsoft project field to its best understanding. And if it's something different, I can change that mapping as well. So since I see it has mapped it correctly, only there's one last mapping that it's not sure about. That's the dependency. So over here, I will give it the information that actually dependency means predecessor in Microsoft project terms. So it knows that it's a dependency or a predecessor uh, which dependency is portraying as. Next, I will move on to the finishing window and it's going to ask me that if I want to save this mapping for future references, I can save it. Uh, I already saved one Excel map earlier, so I'll use the same one and I press finish. And as soon as I do, MS Project does its magic and it shows me the mapped Excel data into an MS Project format. Now I can play around with it as per the functions available in MS Project, but it has served its purpose that it has mapped the information that was there in MS Excel and it has imported that into MS Project. So that was the objective. Obviously, predecessors and other details you can also find in the iCard. I have created another video which explains what a predecessor is if someone is willing to learn that. So I hope you liked today's video, and I hope it will help you in creating your magical project plans. And if you like the video, please click the like button and keep subscribed to the channel to keep listening and seeing these informative videos. Until our next video, please do take care of yourselves and bye.